Thank you for tabbing. If you choose to host, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right. Are you happy now? Can we get the cooking? You in there munching on all this sugar?
Where's the cook? Where's the cook tonight?
All right, so we got the chicken. Chicken's done. So what we gotta do with the chicken?
Put it in the salad.
We gotta put it in the salad. So we take the chicken, put it on there, and I, being the adult, I have to do the cutting of the chicken. Yes, that's correct. I have to do the cutting of the chicken. You have to stand clear. Trust me, when you got kids jumping around with candy in their mouth and their face all in the food, you have to make them stand back. Stand back. To not have accidents. You don't want to have accidents. All right.
I want to try to taste some of the chicken.
Should have used the meat cleaver.
Can I taste some of the chicken?
I need you to keep your fingers back if you got a knife present. I'll make sure I give you a piece. That was close. Here's your piece of chicken. Enjoy it. Say thank you to the camera.
Thank you.
All right, let's Boogie.
Thank you, Dad.
Let's Boogie and cook. There you go.
I like this too.
No, we got enough.
Let's be cooking, baby.
Oh yeah.
Big enough, big enough. Big enough, big enough.
All right. Now what I need you to do, get that out of the way. Now we're gonna place the chicken
In the bowl.
in the bowl. We're gonna make it nice and pretty though. Right? Don't throw it in there all crazy. You want to place it in there in nice places. Make it look good.